Okay, everyone, it really sucks when people pull fire alarms without a fire or without authorization in every public building. The reason why it sucks is because they are wasting the fire department's time and they will get into serious trouble, they will get fined, and they will get arrested by the police. And if a fire alarm is pulled in a school, those people that did it will get suspended, expelled, grounded by their parents, and if they are 18 years old and older, they will get fined and arrested by the police. So I am serious. It truly does suck when people pull fire alarms without a fire or without authorization in any public building. Bye.